Hello guys, what is up? This is William here. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my channel MW Design Strategies. And in this video I will show you how you can create this creative agency website design in Figma. So in my previous video I told all about the church website design, how you can create the amazing creative way, right? And in this video I will also show you how you can create these creative sections and all this according to our latest trends, right? So first we will go through this website and then I will show you how you can design it, right? So let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so first I will show you how I have designed it right now, okay, and then we will continue designing this website. So this is the first our hero section image, right? Hero section design. So you can see how the big fonts are going on in this 2022 year, right? So big font is also 20. You can also see other section, you can see the menu here, right? So if I go to the second section, you can see our what we do section. So we have this kind of design here, right? Like we are inspired from user experience. That's why we are creative designers, UX UI UX CX experts, right? So these kind of section you can create in your own designs, right? So you can see the side side slider. So when I move it, it will also change it into the second or first sections, right? So you can see our projects here. So you can see our projects is also in creative way. So you can also make it on your own, right? So you can see this kind of 3D rectangle here. So you can do it and make it by your own, right? I will also let you know how and where you can get these kind of 3D 3D objects, right? So like this. So these are our projects, yeah, our work. And now we have our services. So you can see how we have how I've designed it, right, in this way. So next section we have our partners, meet the team, right? So it will be also a illustrator. So I think it's not right now showing here for some reason, but I will show you in my file design, right? So this is our meet our team section. So you can also do and design it, right, by your own. And now we have a play like about the company, so how this agency is. So you can see this video, right? And when I hover here, it will, this button also moves somewhere, right? So now we have our partner section. You can see these kind of sliders, you can move it and see more clients, right? And now at the end we have let's contact, like let's create. So we have a contact section here and footer, right? So that's how, and that's what I have designed so far. And now I will show you how you can do it in Figma, right, by your own. So let's start with the designing of this website. So first what we can do here, just we have to get the new artboard from the above tools, right? So first you have to get the new artboard, and then okay, so first you have to select the 1414 size frame. So go to a desktop section, you can see there is a desktop size 1440 into 1024, right? So we have to make it exactly, right? And now what we can do is we have to get some background, and first of all expand this as much over according to this website, right? So according to a website we can drag it and like this. Yeah, and now we have to create a first section. So first take a rectangle and drag it like this, and now you can create you can make it pure black because we have selected black theme here. So you can make it pure black. And now we have to import our logo. So I already have some dummy kind of logo here, so I will just implement it here, right? And now we have to get some icons. So go to Iconify again, as in all my video, I always recommend you Iconify plugin. It's totally amazing plugin for icons, right? So you can write here menu, and you will see there are many menus icons available here in Iconify, and you can select anyone which whatever you like. So if I can see the latest menu, which one is which one, I think this one is good, so we can select this, import in our design. Right now we have to create a circle here, so create circle 98 into 98, make it pure white. Now adjust your icon into this. You can also enable the auto layout as per your wish. Auto layout is good, you can enable it, right? Reduce the sizes a little bit more, like 80 or 81, right? So 82, right? Now we have to create a let's talk button here. So for button we have to select this text first of all. You can write here let's connect, let's talk. Now reduce the size of this. I think it should be very small, 14. Size is good, so you can select 14. Let's talk, right? And now you can create its button with auto layout. Do not use any other thing, just create this auto layout. How you can make it, I've also created a specific video for auto layout. You can check out my video. If you see the eye icon, you can go and post that, how you can create your auto layout. So for auto layout you can do this, and now around it you can adjust the auto layout settings. For example, it should be 20 from left and right side, and you can reduce the opacity a little bit more, like this. And let's talk text should be white. And now you can import in your design. You will see we have to reduce more opacity here, like this. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, so now we have to create a text here. So text we can and yeah, I will show you. I will also tell you how you can get the 3D 3D objects here, right? So for 3D objects, let me just adjust it and tell you. So for 3D objects you can go to community tab, and you will see you can just write here 3D 3D objects. You can try just 3D anything, and you will see there are multiple 3D things are here, right? So you can select anyone and you can import in your design. So there are many things here, so you can do anything. You can import anything and make by your own, right? So I already have 3D objects here, so I just get it from my original file, right? Like this. So now we have to make the blur. So again, go to rectangle. You can select this rectangle like this. You can make it back like this, and you can just blur, give effect blur, and blur should be I think 94 or something around this. Make it pure black and reduce this opacity a little bit more according to your preference, whatever you like, right? And now what we can do is we can have to write the text here. So again, go to text. You can write here creative agency or any other text you like for your agency or for your own company. So right here creative agency, and now we have to make it bigger. So it's really cool to make and design this kind of creative designs. So now we have to make it bold, right? So for just right here, right, make it bold, and you have to adjust this text colors. Okay, and now we have to make it more bigger font. I think it should be 164 or more, right? And now we have to create the slider here, right? So for slider you can go and select circle, small circle you can select, and like make it like this, and it should be I think 70 or between 70 or 60. 60 is good. Now duplicate this 2.45 times, and now make it white, right? And the stock should be black, because we have to fix this icons, fix these circles. So make sure that you also select stock, right? And you can also reduce the size like this. It should be I think 12 or 11, between 12 and 11, right? One more rectangle we have to make like this. You can make it yellow, right? Okay, so last thing which we have to create in this our hero image is the circle. Scroll down circle, so get the circle here, and now you can create it like this. You can enable this talk, and we have to give some kind of dashes here. So for dashes you can go to advanced talk settings, and you will see there is a drop down, so you can select this drop down and get this kind of dashes here. So this is also really very nice for 2021 2022 trends, right? So you can also go to Agonify, and again go and select here down icon, and you can select down icon here. And now you can get and adjust this down icon, and the color should be white, right? And group it. Now we have to create another second section. So our second section is what we do, right? So for what we do section, it's really very nice section. I really like it. I really love it, actually. So for this we have to select our font. So again, select the sizes of our text. So right here, be inspired. What is here written? What is written here? What has written here? So we are inspired from user experience. That's why we are inspired, right? So you can write here we are inspired, or any text you like. You're inspired with user experience. That's why we are. So you can write this kind of, that's why we are, right? So you can write this kind of text, and also increase the size, right, like this, and adjust your text here. So I think your text size should be it's very big. I think it should be 62, right? And make it semi-bold. Do not make it bold, but it should be good for semi-bold. It's good, right? You can adjust it like this, and now we have to create our subtext. For subtext we will just copy this above text here and make it like this. And for dummy text you can go to the plugin name is content reel. You can go to content reel, and you can get any lorem ipsum text from here. You can get any full name, full dummy name, images, icons, icon, yeah, you can also get the icons, images, right? Avatars, you can get anything. So we need text. I think it's taking time for loading, so I'm just getting this text for my file, right? Okay, so once you're done with this font and text, we have to create our circles. For circles you can create these kind of circles here. You can give stock, remove fill, and again we have to do the same like this, right? And another circle we have to create like this and like this. So something like a Olympic, you know, we have to make something like a Olympic. Sometimes we see this in Olympics, right? So I think it should be a little bit more like this. So for making this, you can make any, you know, pattern according to your desire. So you have to create, yeah, something like this. One section, one, you know, circle we have to create for hover, because I will show here hover effect, right? When user hover, it will show, and it will, you know, the size of the circle will be increased, right? Okay, and here we have to write one more thing is circle size should be according to the ranks, right? Because this one should be bigger and the center one should be smaller, and below this circle should be more smaller, like this. So we have to give it according to our ranks. Now right here text, for writing text we just copy this text. Right here we are creative designers, right? And make it bigger font. I think it should be 20, right? Make it proper black, right? And adjust it like this. We are creative designer, UI UX UX CX experts, right? So you can write here UX CX experts, UX and CX experts, right? You can write more text here like this. For now I'm just copy this, and because I don't want to make this video much longer for you, right? So we are done with this diagram kind of section, right? And make it, you know, bold, more bigger and bold. So I think it should be 30, right? I think 30 or 40, between 30 40 you can choose any sizes. Okay, now we have to create another section called, another section name is our latest creative work, right? So for creative work, just go to your file. Now one more thing I want to create is our button. So copy your above button here and just reduce the size of this button and adjust some kind of fills and stock here. Okay, in order to create this button quickly, right? I'm doing this, but you can, you know, make it in free time, right? You can make it properly, should, right? And right here get in touch or anything, right? Right, and you can also import the icon inside this button, because it's auto layout, so it will adjust it itself, right? So for example, if I go to Iconify and select any icon here, for example forward icon, so you will see there are many icons here, right? But you can select any one, whichever you like. I think where it is, sometimes it creates problem, it will, you know, import somewhere else. Like you can drag it and it will adjust everything for you, this auto layout. That's the power, you know, of this auto layout. So once you're done with this, make it center, you can reduce the size, you can adjust the auto layout settings. So if you don't know how I create this, you can check out my other auto layout videos, right? And you will get to know from that video. So make it in center or anywhere. Now we have to create our creative section called our teams, sorry, our creative work, right? For creative work we just expand this artboard a little bit more bigger, right, like this. Okay, and you can drag all your stuff inside your frame again, right. And now we have to create our creative section, which is our work, right. So first, before going to do that, just we have to write the label here. So the label should be what we do, right, as we see the design. So right here what we do, right here what we do, and this label you have to make upon each font, each heading you'll give in your design, right. So here we have to write what our work, right, our latest, you can write anything, I'm just writing randomly here, our latest creative work. You can write anything, right. Also change the label of the work, and now we have to get the 3D object I already have, and I told you how you can and from where you can get it, right. So for creative objects you can go to community and get it from there, like this. I'm just importing it from like this, so you can also adjust these colors. And now we have to create our creative section, right, creative cards for showing our work. So make it something like this, round your corner, rounded corner should be 25, right, the size should be 25, and you can import your design here, and also write here the name of your design. And let me just create these cards first. Yeah, so it should be more bigger like this, and create 2 more cards like this. Okay, and subtext, we have to add subtext, right. So just write the name of this project, for example any project you can write the name. Subtext should be Laura Epson for now, and right here, for example, if it is website design work, you can write here website design, right. Also increase the size of your text, and your another text should be 42. You can also create a line here, right, and reduce the stock opacity, so it will give you this strength to your design, okay, to your website. So you can create it for all your cards, and now we have to change this color to our latest work. For example, it should be this, and you can import your designs here. You can import your work in your website, for example like this. So these websites are my websites and mobile apps, my work here, which I have created. If you want to see how I designed this, how I designed this mobile app, how I designed this website, so you can check out my other creative tutorials in my description or in my YouTube channel. Right, on my YouTube channel you can check out all the videos are available there, so you can view these video tutorials and learn and get inspired from these tutorials and do your own. So that's how we can create this latest work section. You can also create the subtext. For example, just yeah, the size should be 24 or like this. So that's how we can create our creative latest work section here. So you can create it by your own, right? So for now in this video only I'm creating these kind of sections here, right? In next video I will show you how you can create the rest of the website design, right, in Figma by your own. So for now it's I think enough video. If I show you everything in this video, so it will go much longer. So if you really like this and learn from this video, please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed, because I create all the creative videos on my channel, these kind of videos on my channel, right, every week. So twice or once or twice in a week. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also uh, like all my videos. Also you can enable the bell icon, right, to get these kind of tutorial notifications, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.